Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today I will explain you exercise 4.4 of chapter 4, that is simple equation. So now let's solve question number 3, and question number 3 is solve the following. Our first bit is Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmeet have? So this question we have done earlier also in my previous video of exercise 4.1. So if you have not watched that 4.1 exercise, you may go in the description box and check. There will be 3 links. One link of Ncert book. If you want to purchase it, you can. Second link is of the video, this my previous video, and third link will be of a quiz. Okay, so I'm taking a quiz of you all on the topic data handling. Okay, there will be 10 questions, 20 marks, and time as much as you want. Okay, there is no time limitation. Okay, so let's focus on our question, and question is this only. So simply first we have to make the equation, and if we will make our equation, then simply we can know the answer, or we can know the answer. Okay, so first we have to just make the equation simply. Okay, so let the number be x. Okay, so now I'm taking a number which is x, and this is the variable. Okay, so Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. 5 times, that means 5 multiplied by our number which is here x. So 5 multiplied by x, which is equals to 5x. First, this variable only in the this variable is only in the starting of the equation. Okay, it should be in the starting of the equation. Okay, and then we'll be using the other numbers. Okay, so here is that he has 7 marbles more than, that means plus 7. So 5x plus 7 is equal to, Irfan has 37 marbles. So our result is 37. Got it. Just simply I have solved this equation. First I have written this equation, and now I'm going to solve this. And the solving part is the most easiest one. I think that data handling is a little bit tough in the probability side, but I think simple equation is the best ones. Simple equation in my view. Okay, in my point of view. So 5x plus 7 is equal to 37. And now here we'll write 5x is equals to 37. So first this plus 7 move to right hand side with the sign of negative, the sign of negative 7. So 37 minus 7 is equals to 30. And then is how much? Yeah. Then we'll write x is equals to, here our last result was 30, and here is 5 in the left hand side. The remaining ones is 5. So when this 5 will move to right hand side, this will have the sign of divide by 5. Okay, divide by 5. So this 30 and this 5 can be cancelled out in how many times? 6 times. 6 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 30. So here we can say it as the value for x is equals to 6, or we can also say it as that 6 marble does Parmeet have. Okay, 6 marble Parmeet has. Okay, so our equation in this question is 5x plus 7 is equals to 37, and the value of this variable, which is x, is 6. Okay. So friends, let's proceed to second bit. So friends, second bit is Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? So here is a boy called Lakshmi, and his father's year is 49. But he is 49 years old. Okay. So now here the statement is he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay. So first we'll write let. Okay. Let the number be x. Okay. And then from here our equation starts. So he is 4 years older than 3 times. 3 times. See, times, that means our variable time. 3 times, that means 3 multiplied by our number, which is x, 3x. 3 multiplied by x, ex, not 3x. Okay. And he is 4 years older. 4 years older means plus. If he will be 4 years younger, then it will be minus. But he is 4 years older. That means plus 4. Okay. And his father's age was 49 years old. Okay. So simply I have solved this equation. And that means I have written this equation very simply. Okay. That's why this chapter name is simple equation. So here is 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. Here we have got our equation. So let's solve it out. So here we will write 3x is equal to 49. And when this plus sign will move to right hand side, it will carry the sign of -4. Okay, so 49 minus 4 is equal to 45. And now we'll write x is equals to 45, and here the remaining ones on the left hand side is 3. So when this 3 will move to right hand side, it will have the value, or it will have the sign of division sign. That means we'll write 45 upon 3. Okay. So can this 45 and 3 can be cancelled out? Yes. This both can be cancelled out in 15 times. How? 15 multiplied by 3 is equals to 45. Got my point? So here x is equals to 15. Okay. So here the equation for this question will be 3x plus 4 is equals to 49, and the value for x is 15 years old. Okay. So friends, let's proceed to third bit. So friends, third bit is people of Sundargram planted trees in a village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit tree planted was 77? Okay. So let's see the main statement for our equation, which starts from here. Okay. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times. Just see 3 times again. That means we have to write let the number be x. Okay. Let the number be x. So here the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times. 3 times means 3x simply. Okay. So we can write it as, wait a minute. So yeah, we can write it as 3x. And here is the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more. 2 more. More means plus and 2 means 2. This is 2 is 2. So what was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? Okay, so 77 is our result. The variable is 3x and here the number is 2. Okay, that means constant is 2. Okay, so here we can write it as 3x is equals to 77, and here first this plus 2 will move to right hand side with the sign of negative 2. Okay, so here 77 minus 2 is equals to 75, and now x is equals to, here last result was 75, now 75, and here in the right hand side, left hand side, only 3 is left, and when this 3 will move to right hand side, it will have the sign of division. So we can write it as 75 divided by 3. Okay, done. So yeah, we can cancel out this 3 and 75 and how many times? 25 times. 25 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 75. So here the value for x will be 25. Okay. So here for this question, our equation will be 3x plus 2 is equals to 77, and the value for x will be 25. So friends, I have another work for you all, that you have to plant at least one plant. Okay, one plant in your garden or anywhere. Okay, but you have to plant one tree or one plant. Okay, this is your home task for my side. Okay, so friends, now I'm proceeding to question number 4. So friends, fourth number is solve the following riddle. So in question number 4, there is a riddle for us. Simple equation riddle. So what is that riddle? So that riddle is, I am a number. Okay, so you are a number. First we write, let the number be x. Okay. Tell my identity. I am a number. Tell my identity. Then is, take me 7 times over and add a 50. That means take me 7 times. 7 times means 7 multiplied by x, which is equals to 7x. Okay. 7 times x, 7x over and add a 50. Just simply add 150 after 7x. Okay, and then next set statement is to reach a triple century. Triple century, that means let me tell you here, one or not one, but yeah, century. So century is equals to 100. Double century, which I have told you in the previous video. Okay, double century. Oh my god. Yeah, double century is equals to how much? Tell me if you have watched that video. Tell me in the comment box, what is double century? Double century means here is century. So first we write century, and double means 2. That means multiplied by 2, which is equals to 200. So double century means 200, century means 100, and here is not triple century. Just see here. Here it is written that triple century. Triple century. So that means how much? 100. Okay. Triple means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 300. Okay. Century means 100. Double century means 200. Triple century means 300. To reach, here, let's continue with the riddle. To reach a triple century, that means our result is triple century. You still need 40. That means to reach up to 50 numbers, to reach up to triple century, you have to first add 40 also. Just simple, 40 I have added. And to reach, and here is no more riddle now. So to reach up to triple century, you still need 40. That means we have added here 40. So last we have reached up to triple century. So see, I have simply written this equation. 7x plus 50 is equal 7x plus 50 plus 40 is equal to 300 or triple century. Okay, so let's solve it out. 7x plus 50 is equals to 300, and first this we will move to plus 40, and when this plus 40 will move to right hand side, it will have the sign of negative 40. So we will write 300 minus 40, which is equals to how much? 260. Got my point? So now we write 7x is equals to 260, and now this 50 will move to right hand side with the sign of negative 50, and 50 is also called half century. Here is 100, and the half of 100 is 50. 50 is also called half century. Okay, so 260 minus 50 is equals to how much? 210. Okay, so now you can simply solve this. 7x is equals to 7x is equals to 210, and now this 7 will move to right hand side with the sign of what? Division. That means 210 upon 7. Okay, so we can write it as x is equals to how much? 210 divided by 7. So if we will cancel out 210 and 7, so the result will be 30, because 30 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 210. So here the value for x, or the number, will be 30. So finally we have got the identity of the number, and the equation will be 7x plus 50. Okay, 7x plus 50 plus 40 is equals to 300, and the value or the number for the riddle is 30. Okay, friends, you have to also mention in your examination this also: century, double century, triple century is equals to how much. Okay, so then you will get the full marks. If this is in 2 marks, you will get 2 marks, and if this is in 3 marks, you will get 3 marks. Okay, so friends, by this I'm ending up my video here only. Hope you have liked this video. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe and bye bye.